Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Hadn't done one of these in a day or two. We got us a new bait we're gonna try. It's a Bass Mafia Dangerous Swimmer. It's by Chris Saldane and Bass Mafia, which I'm not gonna go into the politics behind it, but it's just a knockoff of the Mega Bass. Their swim bait, but whatever. They fired Chris, and Chris went to Bass Mafia and made his own. Let y'all look at it. Y'all see that? Okay. The color is, let me see if I can figure that out. It's a 7 inches, y'all seen. Where they got the color listed at? On the bottom. It's a chartreuse blue, which is a good color here. 7 inch, it don't give a weight. I'm gonna say they're probably about 1.5 ounces. I'll take them out, show them to you. I'll be back here in a second, I'll show them to you. Let's throw a little bit extra in here. This knife, Brent Morgan gave to me. I won't hardly carry a good knife unless a friend or a family member gave it to me. I know some of y'all old school ones know Brent. He used to be in all the shooting videos. Hadn't done any of those in a long time, so he hadn't been on in a long time. See if we can figure out how to get it unpackaged. Oh my goodness, who thought it would be that hard? That's what she said. Oh, really? Awesome. Good packaging. Probably be something to save to put them back into. Oh, we got more tape. More tape. These Chinese or Taiwanese, they ain't scared no tape. Tape's gone, it's all easy. Clamshell, I like that. Seals right back up. Now the test. Oh, not as soft as I would like. The tail's soft, but the body's pretty hard. Got a hook slip. Show y'all the hook slip. That color's pretty popping. I like that color. Yeah, but that's just a knockoff of the Mega Bass mag draft. It's built a little sturdier. Might catch a few more fish on that one. No scent to it. I'm digging it. I gotta find a hook because when I got it, they didn't have any hooks that fit it. I'm sure I got one somewhere around here that'll work. I'm gonna probably take it out tomorrow and fish with it. Probably just from the bank. The price point on them I think was like $12, something like that for two. Which is way cheaper than the Mega Bass. Like I say, the clamshell deal. Not screwing the tails up. But tail's really important on those baits. You don't want to get them all bent up. That clamshell right there will keep that from happening. Let's see if it can be done. And if you stick them back in this, you know exactly what you're using every time. You're not guessing color-wise and all that. And that chartreuse blue, it ought to be a killer on Lake the Pines. It ought to be a killer on Lake the Pines. So, Bass Mafia, dangerous swimmer, designed by Chris Aldain. He is getting to be one of my top 5 favorite YouTube fishermen. He does a podcast that I like. And note to all the lifers that made it this far in the video, by next Monday I'm going to start trying to do podcasts. Today is Tuesday. Y'all probably see this video on Thursday. I've got some ideas for an outdoor podcast. I got my first person I want to interview. If I can get him agree to come on camera, he's not a social media personality. It's who I learned how to trap from. He's like a brother to me. It's in the last few years we've been through a lot of the same instances, and he's a bigger than life personality. If he lets it come out on the podcast, y'all be wanting me to have him on there all the time. Name's Daryl Cook. If y'all are on Facebook, y'all can go look him up. He is probably the best trapper that's still doing it on a regular basis. He's a control trapper. He's not a fur trapper, but he does fur trap too. But control work, they don't make him no better than him. Alright, if y'all made it this far in the video, like, share, subscribe, and we gone.